What is going on, you guys? In today's video we're gonna do a quick bike check on the new build. Her name is U1 McGregor. Starting off with the frame, it's the Pizzicato Unbreakable U1. Yeah, that's where I got the name from. Track lacrosse geometry, crafted from Reynolds 853 and has clearance of up to 45C or so is written on the website, don't quote me on that. Look at that delicious lugged fork. Paint reminiscent of the new Mitsu Expander Cross, according to my guy Wilbert. Moving up to the cockpit, we got FSA headset that came with the frame. Bars are Nitto shred in silver finish, matched with silver unbranded seat post and a Bont Rager saddle. So that and the stem came from the old bike, since I wasn't yet sure how I'm going to fit in the bike. Grips are just your regular ass Ardently waffles. Down at the drivetrain, we got SRAM Omnium's 165mm arm with 48 tooth chainring. That's also not in its final form, as I would love to have a silver chainring to complete the silver and black motif. 17 tooth cog from Diacomp and an unbranded lock ring linked together with the ever popular Izumi Jet Black chain. The pedals are the classic pedal from Piz with Christoph toe cage and straps. And no, I did not notice that loose screw when I shot this video, and yes, it eventually fell off and lost it on the way home. On to the wheels, we got H plus Sun archetype laced on Novatech Delirium hubs, hand tensioned in Tryon marketing. I just had to give them a shout out because they just do a good job in building solid wheels. Tires are Donnelly Bartolome in gum walls, 32C for that maximum comfort. And that's about it. If you want to see a bike check on the gravel bike, comment down below and subscribe to the channel, and then click on the bell icon so you can be notified when that video drops. Thanks once again, and see you on the next one. Peace.